Hey guys, welcome back. Let's go through the question I introduced in the geometry question type video. So here we have Scott, who has decided to paint one of the walls of his room. The wall measures 25 meters by 30 meters. He can paint the wall blue, black, or pink, and below are the prices for each color. And even prices, there's a price to get the color, and then there is also a cost of labor. Now the prices and the cost of labor are given in dollar per inch squared, but our measurements are given in meters. Let's look at the answer options. The answer options are in millions. Cool. And they give you the conversion between meters and inches. Great. So it's a wall. You can expect the wall is a rectangle. So we obviously have to figure out the area of the wall, because what is the question asking? What would approximately be the cost of buying blue paint to cover half of the floor? I'm guessing that's meant to say wall. Doesn't matter, floor, wall. We're trying to cover half the wall with blue paint, and they give us the measurements. So first thing we'd have to do is find the area. So it'll be 25 times 30. Now what's 25 times 30 gonna be? Again, split it up, 20 times 30 plus 5 times 30. That's 20 times 30 is gonna be 600, 5 times 30 is gonna be 150. So the area is 750 meters squared. 750 meters squared, great. That's the area in meters squared, but the prices are given in inches squared. Now to tell us 1 meter is 39.5 inches, which means 750 meters squared. Well, that's 750 meters squared is the same as 750 times meters times meters. So we'd have to convert it into inches twice effectively. Obviously, to go from meters to inches, we're going to have to multiply. So in this case, it's going to be 750 times 39.5 times 39.5. Now that's going to be your total area. Once you know your area in inches squared, you have to figure out the price. Now, we're not going to do this calculation because it's way easier to do it in the calculator. So what I would do is I would plug that into the calculator and then times. So that's your inches squared. Now to figure out the price for blue paint is 30. And then the cost of labor per inch squared is 4. So you can just add that up, 30 plus 4. That's not all there is to it. Then all the way at the end here, it says he only covers half of the wall or the floor. So once you get your answer out of the calculator, you'd have to divide this whole thing by 2 as well. And once you do that, you get your answer to be around 19.9 million. And since the question says approximately, you can choose the closest answer, which is B, which is 20 million. Again, this is another question where you just have to keep track of your numbers. There's not much mental maths going on. You just have to know how to change units, and then keeping track that he's only painting half the wall, and then also not being put off by things by inches squared, knowing how to go from meters squared to inches squared. You effectively have to change it twice. So this simple question is actually testing a few mathematical skills there. So use the calculator. Right, you could see what I did here in the question. I highlighted important things, approximately half the unit conversion and the dimensions. That's effectively what you needed. So the answer here is B. Hopefully you went well with that. If not, that's fine. Just learn a bit of unit conversions and just using the calculator quickly. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in another video.